here we're trying to solve another absolute value inequality. And since this says the distance from 0 has to be less than 4, I'm thinking of this, just thinking about my final answer, what it's going to look like ahead is I need to be closer than a certain amount of units to something because it's less than or equal to 4, the distance. So just helpful for thinking about what my final answer will look like. But algebraically, I get to leave the equation alone and just drop the absolute values. Or my other option is to be closer than 4 units, we could be less than 4, but we could also be greater than or equal to -4, because it doesn't matter what side of 0 you're on as long as you're, in this 4 units away. So we'll see where x has to be to make that happen. So subtract 10 from both sides. 2x less than or equal to -6. So x is less than or equal to -3. And then subtract 10 from both sides over here. So greater than or equal to -14. So x is greater than or equal to -7. All right, so we want to graph this on a number line. So here's -7. We'll say here's 0. So here's -3. So we need to be less than or equal to -3. So this way. Or greater than or equal to -7. So see how that ends up between those 2 points? So it lines up with what I thought from the beginning about this being a closer to a certain amount of units problem.